Hello class, my name is Mustafa and I hope everyone's having a good semester. My presentation is based on my dance review paper that I wrote on belly dancing event. That was the event professor mentioned in one of the recommendations. And I had always heard about the place and I knew about the event, but I just never got a chance to check it out. So this assignment became a good reason for me to be a part of it and witness the actual belly dancing in person rather than just videos. So I went to this place called Monera Moroccan. It's located in downtown San Jose, very close to San Jose State University. So even though it's a restaurant, but they have their belly dancing performances every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 8 p.m. Except for Saturdays, they have two performances at 8 and 9 p.m. So I decided to go on Saturday just so I could stay a little bit longer and just so I could be a part of it as much as I could. So the first thing I wanted to know was what the name meant, and after speaking to the manager of the restaurant, he explained to me that Monera in Arabic means pillar, so you could translate the name to be Moroccan pillar or pillar of Morocco. But he also said that the Spanish translation of the word Monera means way, so it will be Moroccan way. So this is a beautiful place. They have amazing food. The way it works, that you order food and which is always served in a prefix menu style. I'm not sure if they had 3 courses, but I saw it was 5 and 7 courses. And of course, I like to eat a lot, so I went with 7 courses. So with that, you get multiple appetizers, multiple entrees, and multiple desserts. And then while you're enjoying your meal, you also enjoy the performances. So and then the way the place is set up is like very Moroccan style. The whole place is covered with like ornaments and garments, and the whole place is really rich and potent with art. And the way you eat the food is that it's like finger food. So they don't give you forks and spoons or knives up front. You have to ask them. But other than that, they actually encourage you to use your hands to eat the food to get the full experience. So the waiters actually come around and they wash your hands at your table before and after the meal. So I was there like around 8 o'clock, just a little before 8 o'clock, and then we started having the meal. And then all of a sudden, the first thing I heard was it's the Arabic instrument called duff. It's like a circular type of object and is covered with some animal skin. I think it's goat or maybe sheep. But all you do is just kind of just tap on it, and it just creates like pretty cool rhythm. And then after that, so that was the first thing I heard. And then I started hearing like the bangles and all the jewelry and stuff. And I just noticed that the belly dancer was just making her way into the dance floor. And one thing was really cool. What I noticed about the whole like dancing is that like for a lot of the dance performances or events, you see a lot of performers just come in and they have like their dance choreography, and they dance and just do the thing and they just leave. But with belly dancing, I kind of felt like it was more based on the instinct. So of course they had their like dances and dance steps like perfected, but this is more like a crowd engaging event. So all these belly dancers like come up to your table and then encourage you to dance with them. But what I also felt like is every time when they engage with their guests to dance with, they have to adjust their moves accordingly. So which is like very spontaneous. And it just really shows that these dancers have really high dance IQ to be able to just shift their bodies and just move according to the way they're responding to the crowd. And then another thing I noticed that all these belly dancers were like not like really young. They're like young ladies, but not like teenagers or like in their 20s. They're more like they were in their 30s. And then I spoke to one of the belly dancers, and she said that it takes time to be able to perfect all the moves, to have the stage presence, and also to be able to handle the crowd, which also makes sense because there's like a lot of guys, and things could also get out of control. So, and besides that, the overall event was great. I also got to learn what belly dancing meant in Arabic. So in Arabic, the word they use for belly dancing is Raqs Shirki, which literally means Eastern dance. So every time when you think of Eastern dance, it is intended to belly dancing. So I was there for like a little over 2 hours, and I had an amazing time. I really encourage all you guys to also go check it out. And I really hope that you guys like my presentation. Thank you.